to after lunch. It was supposed to be at 12, but now we missed it, so we changed the program. Academic information about the conference will be given after lunch, so please be back at 2:30. So you know now that SIGN4, why is it linked to India, how is it linked to India, and why we have developed something different, a different link here in India, which is special. The thing is that Preston University has a special link with IGNOU. So University of Central Lancashire and IGNOU have been working together for 2 years on a project. It's about distance education, how deaf people can be taught in a distance mode. So this is a project that we have been funded for from the UK. Preston University and IGNOU are working together on this research award. So as we started working, we found that something new is coming up. And this was a degree program, the idea for a degree program for deaf students. Because in the UK and England we had been making a program, a teaching program, and for implementing it, we wanted to implement it with a partner, so we found IGNOU to be the perfect place. We negotiated and we agreed to implement the program. So it all started with the project, how you can provide good education for deaf people, how you can teach English literacy and so on. And then the next step was this coordination. So now something entirely new has come up, a degree program we are planning from the UK, where the program itself was developed at UCLan in the UK and is taught here in India, and Indian students and others are coming here to study this program. So what this program is all about in the terms of applied sign language studies. So like you've seen all the volunteers who are working at this conference, they are all students here. They are the first batch in this new taught program. So this was our first step. They have all just had their first assessments for the first semester, which is just over now. So everybody who's a volunteer, you can see at the batch, they are all students in this taught program. There are, of course, millions of deaf people who don't have proper access to education, college, and so on. But now we have just made one program. You know that India has about 400 different universities. And there are millions of hearing people studying in all these different university programs. But what about where are the deaf in universities? All the doors are closed to us. We are knocking, but they are still closed. So they say, you're deaf, sorry, go away, we don't have anything for you. 400 doors are closed. Previously we've worked many years, but all the doors were still closed, and we were very confused and emotional and angry about that. We thought we'll go to America to study or to the UK, but this is so expensive, so we can't afford it. So we want to say a big thank you to IGNOU here and the IGNOU team here. Big thank you to you, because we didn't have to knock on the door. We were welcome already from the beginning, all those 400 closed doors. Now we found one open here in IGNOU. That is very important to us, this beginning of opening a door for us. Then we can go through and we can make and create our own deaf program, our own resources with time. In another 100 years, we can see far into the future. Everything will be fine. Now we have to wait a little, and we want to show you a short video documentary about this taught program in applied sign language studies, which is running here at IGNOU. So it means I'll show it like maybe a little bit like an advertisement also, so that people who are here from abroad can know about it. They can say in other countries where deaf people also don't have money for expensive universities, you can let them know that there's this program here to study in India. You get a UK degree for this program. It's the same as if you were studying in the UK from the University of Central Lancashire. If you go to the UK to study, there's lots of fees and so on, but really in terms of the academic program, it is exactly the same as here. So if you are interested, you can let all your friends know in the deaf world who need a place to study. You can say that something has come up in India. The quality is the same as in India, but it is also affordable. So you can start spreading the news, and people can come here, hopefully international people, to study in this program in India. So we want to show this video now. Please turn the lights down.